To assemble my Raspberry Pi mount, I used my 3D printer to print different components, and then I assembled it as you can view here. Directed the mount towards my basement staircase because I do work in the basement and wanted to be alerted if anybody came down to bother me. Now I will review the code that I wrote. We started by importing all of the necessary packages. From there, I defined a mask specific to my basement stairs that included the stairs region and the entrance to the left. Next, I made my counter that could detect, that would compare two different images taken a second apart from each other. If it saw a difference in one image from the other, then it would enter this loop here where it would record a video, save that recording, write all the image files and save them to my Smart Doorbell folder, and then upload the video to my Dropbox. From there, it would send me an email with all the necessary images and the subject line that includes the information and the timestamp as well as all the pictures taken. You can see all of the image attachments here. And then finally, it also sends a text message to me as well, all of which you can view later in this video. If it does not detect anything, then it will print nothing detected yet. I will now demonstrate myself executing the code. First, I'll give it a few seconds before I trigger the sensor. Then I will demonstrate how the code reacts to the sensor being tripped. Next, I'll show a video taken from my iPhone showing me tripping the sensor. And finally, I will show all of the records of the sensor being tripped received on my computer, which include the video, the pictures, the email, and the text message. This is a video of me tripping the sensor taken with my iPhone to show what happens before. Here is the 15-second video clip captured by my Raspberry Pi that was transferred to my Dropbox. I will now open the email notification sent from my Raspberry Pi and scroll through the 6 attached images. You can cross-check the time in the subject line with that of the screen recording to ensure that these correspond to the same sensor tripping event. Here you can review the text message that I received from the sensor being tripped from my Raspberry Pi.